Well, things have calmed down just a bit. We left Caleta Partida at 5 a.m. and headed out southwest to La Paz. And we are still motoring and have our jib out. And we're doing about 4.5 to 5 knots. Trying to get into La Paz at slack tide so that it will be good to be able to get into the marina. And we have a slip today. So this is our morning trip to La Paz. There's Mr. Myron and sunrise. And there is our buddy boat Juguete down there. Hard to hold the camera still in this. And that's it. Beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
In the neighborhood.
All the way around. Beautiful day in the neighborhood.